What's up, guys? Got some Apollo HVLP goodies. I met them at SEMA this past November, and they were extremely nice and cool people. I've always been interested in trying the turbine system. I just haven't had a chance to try one yet, and I'm not very familiar. So join me for this unboxing, and let's get familiar with it. So from what little things I do know about Apollo HVLP is what I've learned on YouTube last night. And this is their stage 6 turbine, which is supposedly better than their 5-stage. First things first, pulling out appears to be just the cord. I know from watching Joel's unboxing video, you can use this to dehydrate waterborne base coat, which is really cool. I've seen that and I was really interested in that. They also sent me a PPS adapter. I do also know from watching the YouTube video, this should be 32 feet of hose, I believe. And it's every bit of 32 feet. Look at the size of that joker. Then we also got a viscosity cup. Looks like we got the maximizer. Let's scoot this to the side. So this is their maximizer. As you can tell, it comes in a hard case. Really nice. You open it up. First things you see is their instruction manual, a pipette. They also have a little bit of lubrication. Then they also have a tool as well for the maximizer, and then you see the maximizer itself. Now you can't tell, but holding this and handling this maximizer, this is a really fine piece of equipment. You can tell that Apollo takes a lot of time and a lot of effort in engineering these. You can tell this is a real quality paint gun. What does this appear to be? Oh, this is the cup for the maximizer. So it just sits on top of the maximizer and air is forced into the cup and paint is forced out. That's awesome. I also learned that from Joel's video. They also sent a cleaning kit, which is really nice. It's full of pipettes and brushes for you to keep your gun looking like new and spraying like new. Alrighty, lastly, oh, this is packaged really nice. As we unboxed the turbine, and we struggled a little bit because it's packaged so tightly and nicely, bro. Like, look at how well this is packaged. And look at that unit. Ooh, that looks nice. Real quick, a few things that I learned about this Apollo spray system from the YouTube videos was that it has an LCD readout. It shows you how much air pressure is actually coming out of the turbine itself, and also allows you to control the pressure, and it allows you to set that pressure within a tenth. So you can set this to 5.2 PSI if you want, and what that does is help with paint transfer efficiency. Second thing you might notice is the filter on the front. It actually has one on the back, and that's part of their QuadraClean system. As you see, this filter on top filters the big particulates, and the finer particulates are filtered by this automotive filter underneath. That filters the air coming into the unit. This filters the air going to your gun, and what that does is helps the overall life of the unit. And then lastly, helping with the life of the unit are these cooling lures located on either side, 26 in total. And what that does is helps with the power pause mode. And what power pause is, it circulates air through this unit to keep it cool when it's on and not in use. Smaller box, let's see what we got. We got some swag pack. This is the goodies I didn't get at SEMA last year. This is what I'm talking about. Your boy got a shirt. That's what I'm talking about. All right, quick intermission on the unboxing. You feel me? Look. Ugh, that's nasty. I like that. All right. Your boy don't wear hats, but this snapback is crisp. I should have known they from California. You know they got style. Ooh. Then it also comes with a 3M Series 2.0 H/O pressure cup. If you don't know what that is, have you check it out. It's exactly what its name says, pressure cup. Air goes in, creates pressure, material goes out. Let's see. We have another cup as well. And lastly, it looks like another maximizer. And we are right. Ooh, this is the Black Daddy. I like this one. This feels really, really nice, and it's super light. I can't wait to try these out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try them right now today. Oh my God, lastly, we got a banner. Chat, do y'all see this? So as you see, we got tons of good stuff. Can't wait to go hang up my banner. Thanks to everybody at ApolloHVLP, and thank you, John, sincerely for sending me your products and then for letting me demonstrate them. And I can't wait to make some content with them, and I hope everybody enjoys it. Peace.